Oh, we are back! So yeah, one of my favorite parts about the new house is I have a sunroom now. And even with the sunroom, lighting is still shit. I can't record well. But let me tell you something. These plants in here, just like the Carnivorous plants outside, they are doing so well now. Oh, I just ran to the dog food. Like, it's not just the Carnivorous plants, it's the orchids, all the house plants. Look at the string of bananas. Look how long they're getting. They're almost touching the floor. This plant was like right here when I first moved in March, and just wow. But yeah, besides all that, this video is all about the carnivorous plants. And believe me, there's not a lot. So let's get started, shall we? I used to always have trouble with my Nepenthes when it comes to picturing. At first I thought it was just a lack of humidity and all that. No, it's really just a lack of light. It turns out the windowsills at my old house were absolute dog shit. But now that they're here, they are all picturing very, very well. Here's a good example. My Nepenthes sanguinea. This was the last picture when I was at my old house. I mean, this was a good picture. I mean, it's seen better days. It's fading a little bit, but this was good. I was happy with this picture. And after I moved in 1 month later, ka-chow. Look at the, oh my, that is nice. Really like quadruple the size of the last picture. It's fantastic and the colors are great. I'm really happy with this. It even made like a little bitty basil shoot. It's the tiniest little picture. It's so cute. And it just made a new picture. It's about the same size, but you know, I'm still really happy with it. My Ventrata over here. And I know I only own the bare bones basic species and hybrids in Nepenthes. I know. But I do plan on getting some nicer Nepenthes soon. So Ventrata, the main plants, give me a new picture. Leaves are definitely getting smaller though. But the basil shoot is looking fantastic. There's one here, there's a picture there's a picture somewhere. Oh, where's it at? Oh, the picture's dead. There's one picture back here, and there's one forming over here. This one's doing quite well. This is my one and only successful stem cutting. It's in Nepenthes Miranda. This thing would definitely have a picture right now if I just stop breaking the tendrils. I don't know why, but the last 3 leaves, I kept breaking the tendrils. It's so annoying. But yeah. The Nepenthes Mirandas are just starting to picture, as you can see. And I have a couple pictures from this little guy here, out of focus. There he is. And there's another picture. Where's it at? There's one coming up over here. And there's another one right there. I got a couple of new ones from Lowe's about a month and a half ago or something like that. They're labeled as Ventricosa, but to be fair, the Sanguinea was also labeled as Ventricosa. I got these at Lowe's for like 10 bucks each. I decided, you know, why not save them? And they just gave me their first pictures. One here, so I could definitely confirm that they're both the exact same species or hybrid or whatever. But, you know, if they end up being Sanguinea, oh well. I really wish I could have gotten a Ventricosa. But yeah, I'm really happy to see my Nepenthes doing way better than usual. Let's get to my tropical sundews. So this is my big old pot of Capensis. There's a flower here. Not sure if I'm gonna let that seed because these plants seed like crazy. But yeah, they're doing really well. I said move them down here. And I also have Capensis seedlings. This is all one pod. So this amount of seeds can give you this. It's crazy. But yeah, they're doing pretty good so far. I got a new one. I'm pretty sure it's a spatulata. I've had this guy for about a month now. And it's really, really green. Again, I just moved it down here. It's definitely going to get more light down here. So let's just hope that it does a little bit better. But it's giving me some flower spikes now. There's a lot. I got a really good deal on this thing. It was in rough shape, but you know, they're looking a lot better now. They're just so green and not very dewy. So I'm pretty sure moving them next to this windowsill, they'll probably do a little bit better, hopefully. So yeah, that's it. Oh Lord. Yeah, my tropical plants, God, they're pathetic.